Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 or 10 generic PnP monitor problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After that, select a monitors and expand it. After that, select a non-PnP monitor. Right click on a update driver. Click on search automatically from drivers. Click search for update driver on Windows Update. Check if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. If any downloading available, then download and install in my PC. So in my case is the working will be started and it's required for few minutes to complete this process. The second method is that go to your any browser, go to your Google search engine, and after doing this that type a monitor model number with manufacturer name. Click the first link. Select our operating system. Click on download now. Click save to continue. Open it. Click run to continue. Click OK and complete the unzip files. Click OK. In the search box type device manager. Open device manager. After that, select our monitors. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from list available driver on my computer, and after that click on a hard disk. After that click on browse. Go to your unzip file location. Select it. Click on OK button. Click on OK. Select it. Click next to continue. Now you can see Windows has successfully updated your driver. Close it. Now you can see that. Close it and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.